Martin Bridges, I'm the Director of Technical Services at Worcester Bosch Group. We face a few challenges, I think, at this moment in time. Some short-term ones, cost of living crisis, gas shortage potentially, and of course we have a longer-term challenge with net zero and the 2050 target and what we're going to do between then and now to actually achieve that. I think the markets have a potential to grow with this net zero situation that we have, because it won't go away. Whoever is in charge, whoever is in government, it will stay. The world does need to decarbonise. So I think we're going to see a lot more interest in novel technologies which we may not even be aware of at the moment enter the market. Anything which can create heat from a low or net zero area is got a chance of making it in the market today. As a company, we're meeting these challenges from technology perspectives. So we have been selling heat pumps since 2008. We are a pioneer of the hydrogen boiler, so that's involved with 2 or 3 trials, and the trials are growing every day to larger volumes. And we also do heat networks, heat interface units. So our way of meeting these targets is through technology introductions and training of installers, which is critical. It's an interesting show this year. I've seen a lot of understandably net zero or low carbon products, a lot of seminars going on as well, which is always interesting. So I think the show has evolved quite a lot from where we were 7 or 8 years ago, and there was no net zero hanging over us. I would like our government over the next few years to be a bit more prescriptive on certain technologies. They are heavily supportive of heat pumps, which is wonderful, but they're a bit on the fence when it comes to hybrid technologies. And hydrogen, they've deferred a decision on hydrogen until 2026. So I'd like us to be a bit more on the ball, a bit more decisive, and give industry a steer rather than wait as long as 2026. We have exhibited, I think since its inception, it is the #1 trade show. We meet installers here which we wouldn't ordinarily be able to get to. And this year it's bigger and better, and so yeah, it's a long and really welcome return to face-to-face greeting of installers who I haven't seen other than on a screen for about 3 years. What I've noticed of this year's exhibition, it's very busy, and that's great to see. It's great to see it so bubbly and see that there is still an appetite in this industry for a national installer show.